Okay, good morning from Pimba. We had an egg and bacon roll and a tea, and we're topping up. We're going all the way to 100. Oh, I wasn't going to, but I've just been mucking around brushing my teeth. We're on 98. Yeah, we had a good night's sleep here at Pimba. People next to me were yakking on a bit late, but once I went to sleep it was pretty good, and Twig kept me warm because it was pretty chilly in the night. So we're got 98%, go to Glendambo, top up there, and then Coober Pedy, about 400 k's away. Sweet, sweet, sweet. All right, we're at Lake Hart. Just flew the drone over the big white salt lake with some cloud shadows on it. And, oh, sorry for spinning. Here we are, heaps of people camped here, free camping spot. We're on 92 with 370. Whoa! I'm probably going to get stuck behind all these caravans now. Oh. All right. Very good. All right, Twiggy. Twiggy just did the plug share. Oh. All right. Twiggy just did the plug share. Didn't you, Twig? Look at this charger. So it's been retrofitted. Sorry, we're at Glendambo. It's been retrofitted. It was an old 7 kilowatt one, standard. And we've got the C-Tech power, and it's a 30 kilowatt charger. It works with RFID card. Twiggy, don't go in there, please. Or the app, apparently. But yeah, it's all new. I'm not sure how old it is. Twiggy, Twiggy. So yeah, super cool. So we got to Glendambo with 75%, and it's 250 k's to Coober Pedy. We've got 350 k's range, but we wanted to do the plug share and do it good. So yeah, super happy, super happy. Another charger ticked off the list, and quite an unusual charger, this one. Glendambo, halfway between Woomera and Coober Pedy. You're not halfway, a third of the way. Twiggy, be careful of snakes, please. Although it's nice and cold, so there shouldn't be snakes around. Twiggy, come. You want some water? Good girl. Okay, very interesting modification here. You got a 30 kilowatt latched onto the 7 kilowatt AC, 30 kilowatt medium DC, I guess it is DC, CCS2. New handle, push hard, hang the cable so it doesn't get driven over. Hang cable here. H, I wonder who H is. Anyway. Great job, RAA. Great job. Let's go to Coober Pedy. A Rockstar for the Popstar. A Rockstar for the Popstar. 440 kilometers from 90. Woohoo, and when it's going down, I don't know why. That's weird. Okay, we arrived at Coober Pedy, and wow, it's quite a little metropolis. We charged, arrived with 33, I think, and charged back to 70. That took very quick, 125 kilowatts. The RFID card's not working, so I had to use the app. But other than that, and these ones are smashed. The slow ones are smashed, but I'm not sure whether they would still work or not. And yeah, very touristy. So now I'm looking for a motel. I went into the visitor centre and had a chat. They've got all these sheets, so because I'm staying tomorrow night at a nice Twiggy, come here, Twiggy, Twiggy. Twiggy! Nice motel. But yeah. Twiggy, good girl. How cool is this, Twiggy? We made it to Opal City. There's a working opal mine. And there's a tipper truck. And even the better news is we got a second night. We've got tonight in the good motel as well. So we get to spend 2 nights in the good motel. Woohoo! And Twiggy, we get to take a shower and chillax and live underground for 2 nights. How good's that, Twig? You're such a good girl. Such a good girl. Hey? Alright, here's an explanation of what it is, the blowers of Coober Pedy. So basically, it pushes dirt up, machine down underground, pipes it up into the hopper, and then it drops down, and they look for opals. Twiggy, are you rolling? Are you looking for opals, are you? Good girl. So that's what that is. Look at that. Welcome to Coober Pedy. The blowers of Coober Pedy. Look at that. The blowers of Coober Pedy. And then there's the Opal City with the Polestar. And there's the working mine. Here we are, Opal City. We arrived at Opal City and got another night in the motel. Happy days. 2 nights in the best motel in town. Opal City. Here we are. Okay, look, we made it. We got an extra night at the Comfort Inn. Super cool. Look where we made it. Super cool. Got an extra night, 2 nights at the Comfort Inn Coober Pedy experience. How cool is that? Right.
Senior police politics, they only do the judgment work. I only found that from the Justice of the Peace.
Ever wondered what it's like to sleep underground? Ta-da! Here we are in the Coober Pedy Experience Motel. This is what a room looks like underground. So nice and calming, quiet after the hectic highway and sleeping in the car with noisy neighbours right next to noisy highways. This is what it looks like. Very nice hotel room. If you ever want to come and stay somewhere nice, come and stay at the Coober Pedy Experience Motel. They even allow pets, don't they, Twig? Yes, Twig, sit. Good girl. Good night. Have a good sleep.